Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Fitbit Versa 4 to your phone. First, make sure your Fitbit Versa 4 is fully charged. This ensures a smooth setup without interruptions. Next, download the official Fitbit application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Finally, confirm that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on, as this is essential for the connection. Now let's pair your device. Open the Fitbit application on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner, then select Set up a device. Choose Versa 4 from the list of Fitbit products. Your watch will display a 4-digit code. Enter this code into the app when prompted. This step securely links your watch to your phone. Once paired, the Fitbit app will begin its initial synchronization, transferring your data. This process usually takes just a few moments. After syncing, you can personalize your Versa 4. Explore the app to change your watch face, manage notifications, and adjust other settings to fit your lifestyle. Keep the app running in the background for seamless, continuous data updates. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry, there are simple fixes. First, try restarting both your phone and your Fitbit Versa 4. This often resolves minor glitches. Next, check your phone settings to ensure the Fitbit app has all required permissions, like Bluetooth and location access. Finally, always keep your phone's operating system and the Fitbit app updated to their latest versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.